All right, good morning, traders. So currently, I am inside this MES futures trade. The trade is looking good so far. So we just entered. So I send my trades, all my trades ideas, Monday through Friday to my VIP signal group. So if you want to take the same trades that I take, make sure you click in the link in the description below. But yeah, right now we are in this trade. Today is Friday, so the markets are super slow. Honestly, I'm thinking about stopping. I'm going to stop trading on Friday because I hate how the markets move on Friday. Like it's super slow and like the price action is not that great. But yeah, I'm thinking about just trading Monday through Thursday because the thing also in trading is trading less doesn't mean like you're making less money. You actually make more money, especially when Friday is like choppy and slow, and Friday tends to hit your stop loss more often. If you get rid of that, you might make more money by trading less. So yeah, thinking about it. For now, I'm still going to trade on Friday, but yeah, super slow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the trade run, and yeah, hopefully we're going to hit TP, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a few. All right, so just a quick update on this trade. So we're heading towards our TP. Looks good. You know what? I think I'm going to stick to Fridays. I'm still going to trade on Fridays because it's not like I'm not making money on Fridays, but it's just the price action is different. You know, I have to use different systems to place trades, and the markets are slow. So I'm still going to trade Fridays from like for a few more months. You know, see if I really like it or not. But yeah, so far the trade is looking great. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you the full breakdown of this trade so you can learn why I took this exact trade. All right, see y'all in a few. All right, so beautiful trade. So we hit our TP right here, and as you can see, the price went back up and touched our entry before going back down. So to all y'all break-even traders, y'all would have get stopped out right here. That's why you gotta know the direction of the market and just be patient. Not move your stop loss to break even randomly. I do move my stop loss to break even sometimes, but it's calculated, right? But anyways, let me give you the reason why I took this trade. So here, this is New York Open, right? So the first thing I do before when I'm in New York, off when I'm in New York session, I look at the pre New York session. So before the New York session opens, right? And I saw the price going sideways, right? So what I noticed here is a zone of support, right? I saw a zone of support, right? And at New York Open, we broke that zone, right? We broke that zone. The market went up, and we see this long wick rejection, right? And that's at New York Open. So those long wick rejections are very, very important. That means they're to me, that's a confirmation that this line that I trace, this area, is very important. So it became a zone of support, and at New York Open, it became a zone resistance, and it was confirmed by this long weak rejection, and then the market went down. Right, it went down, it went down. So what I did, I waited until the market goes to that zone, and not only I looked at the zone of resistance, I noticed a fair value gap right here. Right here. We have a fair value gap right here. Here, at first, we had a fair value gap here. It got filled up pretty quickly, right? The fair value gap got filled up pretty quickly, so I let it run. Then the market went down, and then the market started going back up to that zone of support that became a zone of resistance. And on top of that, we have a fair value gap. And as you can see, the fair value gap filled as well. So we could have entered here too, you know. But to me, that was a very, very secure trade. First of all, we have a strong zone of resistance and we have a fair value gap. I knew that we were going to enter in that area. And what we did, we entered that area and we went straight down and we hit our TP. Yeah, this right here is years of experience in the market. Years I'm talking, but I've put the 10,000 hours on the charts. So now, I can analyze the charts, I can place my trades confidently and make money now. But yeah, like I said, I share my trades Monday through Friday in my VIP Signal group. So make sure you click in the link in the description to join the VIP Signal group so you can see the exact trades that I take Monday through Friday. All right. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.